हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, आज हम शुरू कर रहे हैं मिसलिनियस एक्सरसाइज। इसका मतलब 3D का समापन। ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं। शो दैट द लाइन जॉइनिंग ओरिजिन टू 211 0 0 0 to 211 is perpendicular to the line joining 3 5 minus 1 and 4 3 minus 1. Very clear. DRs of these 2 points perpendicular to DRs of these 3 points. It means you know the formula A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 0. And how we calculate DRs when 2 points are given? Revision. Y2 minus Y1, 3 minus 5 minus 1 minus 1. These are the DRs of first line, say AB. DRs of AB 1, minus 2 and 0. Now DRs of CD. DRs of CD same 2, 1 and 1 because 0, 0 subtracted remains same 2, 1, 1. These two are perpendicular. It means you know whenever perpendicular A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 must be 0. Now prove it. 2 into 1, 1 into minus 2 and 1 into 0. Very clear. 2 minus 2 and 0. Answer is directly we can write 0. Hence prove that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Second sum is a good sum. L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 are DCs of two mutually perpendicular lines. Two mutually perpendicular lines, DRs L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. Show that the direction cosine of the line perpendicular to both. One more line which is perpendicular to these two. We want to prove a particular relation. Suppose that particular required line having DCs element. It means this one is perpendicular to this one and this one is perpendicular to this one. Again very clear, L into L1, M into M1, N into N1 equal to 0. Similarly, L into L2, M into M2 and N into N2 equal to 0. Our aim is to calculate element. Hence, applying the same 10th class knowledge, cross multiplication rule, L. We are taking L first. M1 into N2 minus M2 into N1. Correct? M. L1 N2 minus L2 N1. Correct? And the last one. L1 M2 minus L2 N1. These are the DRs. It means, suppose it is K, then first is this one, second is, here it is minus, so change the sign, L2 N1 minus N2 L1, this one same and this one same, M1 N2 minus M2 N1. These are the required DCs of the third line. Third sum. Find the angle between the lines whose DRs are given to you. Very simple, so is for your homework. Because the same rule, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Next is, find the equation of a line parallel to x-axis. Sum number 4th, parallel to x-axis and passing through origin. Now tell me, what are the DRs of x-axis? X-axis, a line alpha equals to 0 degree. Cos alpha 0, that is 1, then 0, then 0. Because 90 with y-axis, 90 with z-axis. These are the DRs. And passing through 0, 0, 0. We want to calculate equation of a line. And you know very well, equation of a line means x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 upon DRs equals to lambda. So answer is x equals to 1 or 1 lambda multiplied by any arbitrary number, set lambda, we are getting x equals to 1. Sum number 5th. If the coordinates of the point ABCD are given to you, A, B, C and D. A coordinate is 1, 2, 3. B coordinate is 4, 5, 7. And C coordinate is -4, 3, -6. D coordinate is given 2, 9, 2. 4 coordinates are given ABCD and we want to prove or to calculate angle between AB and CD. We want to calculate angle between AB and CD. Simple. DRs of AB and DRs of CD. So first we calculate DRs of AB, and you know second minus first. So 4 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 7 minus 3, that is 3, 3 and 4. Here DRs, this minus this, direct we can write 6, this minus this 6, this minus this 8. These are the DRs like A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Now what is the formula for cos theta? Cos theta equals to A1 into A2, B1 into B2, C1 into C2 divided by magnitude of the first one 9 plus 9 plus 16 and the second one 36 plus 36 plus 64. Now calculate 18 plus 18 plus 32 divided by 25, 34 and this will be 100. 36 is the value acute angle cos theta. You can solve it very easily. Cos theta equals to 4, 5, 6 divided by root 34 into root 136. Simplify it and get the result. Next sum number 6th. A line is perpendicular to another line. Find the value of K. Again, I think this question you can solve very easily because we have already completed these type of sums in the previous exercise. The next is find the vector equation of the line passing through 1, 2, 3. Passing through 1, 2, 3 and perpendicular to the plane. Equation of the plane given to you in the vector form r dot I plus 2j minus 5k plus 9 equal to 0. Now tell me, a line parallel to a plane. See the things very nicely. Line, this one is the line perpendicular to this plane. It means this line and the normal both are parallel. It means drs of this normal and drs of this line are same. So here we can write the same drs with this line. Point is with us, drs with us, we can make the straight line. So x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 divided by 1, 2 and minus 5. Answer. Suppose we want to calculate in terms of vector form, then r equals to a plus lambda times b, because normal and the line parallel to each other. Answer. Next sum number 8. Find the equation of the plane passing through ABC. Plane passing through ABC and parallel to another plane, r dot I plus j plus k. A plane parallel to another plane, it means drs of the normal is the same. It means we have to use these drs. And point is with us. Our formula is r minus a dot n equal to 0. So what is r? xi, yj, zk. And what is the point given to you? AI BJ CK dot n cap I plus j plus k equals to 0. So this will be nothing but x minus a, y minus b, z minus c, and dot I plus j plus k. Easy? Dot product you know very well. Dot product you know very well. I with I, j with j, and k with k. So what we are getting? X plus y plus z equals to, shift constant to right hand side, is the equation of the plane passing through the point ABC and parallel to another plane given to you. Easy? Okay. 10th sum. Find the coordinates of the point where the line passing through 516. Line passing through 516 and 341 crosses ZX plane. Important point. This wall YZ plane. Y is the axis, X is this much, and Z is this. So this plane is YZ plane, and on YZ plane X coordinate is always 0. Hence the meaning is X coordinate equal to 0. So first we start with the line. Question is line through these 2 points. We can start with x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. What are the drs? Second minus first, second minus first, second minus first equals to lambda. So any general point where x equals to 0 is the situated on the plane, that is YZ plane. So if it is crosses YZ plane, it means its x coordinate must be 0. So here we put 0, z minus 6 by minus 5. Now compare 5 by 2, y minus 1 by 3, which implies 15 equal to 2y minus 2. So 2y equals to 17. So y equal to 17 by 2. Similarly, when we solve third and first, 5 by 2 equal to z minus 6 by minus 5. So minus 25 equals to 2z minus 12. So 2z equals to, this 12 goes to this side, it will become minus 13. Z equals to minus 13 by 2. Now tell me, when you know y and z, when you know x, it means answer is, coordinate is 0, 17 by 2, minus 13 by 2 is the answer. A similar question is sum number 11, but here crosses ZX plane, and crosses ZX plane means this plane. It means which coordinate is 0? Y coordinate is 0. So in the next case, you have to put here y coordinate 0. The next is sum number 12. A similar question, but a small change. Rather than xz or yzx plane, they will give you a general equation of the plane. 3 minus 4 minus 5 and 2 minus 3 1 crosses the plane 2x plus y plus z equal to 7. This line is nothing but x minus 3, y plus 4, z plus 5 divided by their drs. And drs, this minus this, minus 1, this minus this, plus 1, this minus this, 6 equals to lambda. Similar question. So, what is the general point? Minus lambda plus 3, general point y, lambda minus 4, z equals to 6 lambda minus 5. This coordinate also satisfies the plane because it is lying like this, crossing at this point. So this general point will satisfy. Apply here 2x plus y plus z equals to 7. Calculate. Minus 2 lambda plus 6 plus lambda minus 4 6 lambda minus 5 minus 7 0. Minus 2 lambda and lambda minus lambda is 5 lambda. Numbers 6 minus 4, that is 2, 2 and minus 12 minus 10. Hence lambda equals to 2. Simple calculation. And when lambda equals to 2, what are the coordinates? Put lambda equals to 2 here. So answer is put 2 here, 1, put 2 here and put 2 here is the required coordinate. Easy. So half the exercise we have completed up to question number 12, total 24. So one more lecture on the remaining questions of miscellaneous exercise and then some good questions from previous year's board papers. तो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, जो लोग थोड़ा सा पीछे चल रहे हैं कोई बात नहीं, 3D है, टाइम लगता है, धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करते जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, बिकॉज वी हैव लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर द बोर्ड 2021. वर्क हार्ड बट प्रैक्टिकली 3D को प्रैक्टिकली पढ़ना है. यस, तब तक चलते हैं. टेक केयर, गुड बाय.